So the flavor of this shrimp will be really good. To make the crispy fried shrimp, I have here the shrimp, as you can see here. That is the main ingredients we need. That is corn flour. I have here pints of onion chips. I have here for the mole, I have this spice mayo. If you don't know how to make spice mayo, you can check link on my description box. That's the breadcrumb. That kinds of breadcrumb I am using today. That's the black pepper, togarashi, sesame. I have here the Himalayan rock salt. I have here olive oil, normal flour. If you have tempura flour, that will be great for you. Then after all, I have here lemons. I have here egg. I'm going to use all of this. Let's see how I'm going to use. Okay. First of all, I'm going to take the skins. We have to easily take out the skins like this. Then we have to take that strong part as well. Yes, like this. As you can see here, there is the black part we have to take out. You can cut like this simply, and you can take out this. First of all, I will wash all of this. Let's cut here 1, 2 and 3 times. Then give a little squeeze, so it will be a little bit long. Okay, now I'm going to put here a little bit olive oil, just a little bit, and I'm going to use the Himalayan rock salt. And if you don't have the Himalayan rock salt, you can put normal kosher salt and just a little bit togarashi, so it will be a little bit spiciness. I love to use the skin of lemon. So the flavor of this shrimp will be really good. To make the tempura flour, normally I love to use the icy cold water, but today I'm going to use the egg. Let's mix it. I love to use the black pepper here, just a little bit, and just a little bit kosher salt, or I'm using here Himalayan salt. If you don't have the Himalayan salt, you can use the kosher salt. And now let's use a little bit flour. Okay, let's see. If it's not going well, I'm going to add egg. I hope it will be good. Mix it very well. Let's see the consistency. Yes, it's good. Yes, I have here the breadcrumbs, and for the coating I have here corn flour. If you don't have the corn flour, you can use the normal flour also. Okay, firstly I'm gonna coat here, or you can use all the flour here also. Then dip in that tempura. Then we can put easily in. Yes, in the breadcrumbs. I'm not going to touch. Yes. You can catch in the tail, so it will be easy. Now you can put here. Then let's do the bread. Now I'm going to take out from here. So if you wait a little bit more time in the breadcrumbs, it will grab properly the breadcrumbs. Okay, it is good or not, let's see. Yeah, as you can see here, it's good. Yeah, normally the oil temperature should be not more than 175 degrees Celsius. Look. Wow, nice. It's so good. Wow. If you want, you can make a little bit more golden brown. I'm putting here pepper, so it will easy to make dry. Here is our spicy mayo. Now I'm going to put a little bit spring onion chips. Yes, that's it. If you really like this video, please don't forget to subscribe for more videos. I want to try these ones. Okay, let's go. So good, nice, very good. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Have a good day.